Hi, this is Pam from Woodcamper Crafts, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the half double crochet. This is one of the stitches I use in my Baby Cates Toque. If you like this hat or want to check out any of my other patterns, they're available in my Etsy shop. So let's get started. So I'm going to start here by yarning over, and I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch. I'm going to yarn over and pull through the stitch. So I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on my hook to complete the half double crochet. So let's try that again. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops to complete my half double crochet. I hope you liked this video. If you want to check out any of my other videos or free patterns, please subscribe to my channel.